Anyari sa Facebook.
Tigilan nyo na yan kung hindi kayo involved.
Hindi ko titigilan.
Girl, sinasabi, ikaw matigas ang ulo mo, bahala ka. Anyway.
Ayun. Paano ko titigilan? Ito si Maharlika, sabi niya, inurong daw namin yung kaso namin kay Barbers. Pagkatapos ito si Cathy Binag, hindi kinokorek. Pagkatapos sabi ni Cathy Binag, ay oo, binigyan ko nga sila ng pera. Wala kang binibigay sa amin pera, Cathy Binag, pinagsasabi mo. O pagkatapos si Maharlika, sasabihin na, oh, binigyan kayo ng pera, inatras niyo ang kaso niyo kay Abante. Unang-una, hindi si Abante ang kinasuhan namin. Ang kinasuhan namin, si Barbers, di ka nakikinig. Hindi naman niya inaalam kung ano yung mga circumstances namin.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung mga away-away.
Ayun.
Ano mangyayari?
Actually, hindi rin namin maintindihan.
Nagtatawa na lang ako. Ano ba yan? Parang,
oo. This story.
Na kayo, malapit na kayo maging next Ukraine, nag-aaway-aaway pa kayo.
Exactly. Yun nga yung sinasabi ko. Kaya sa dick pic ni PRRD ang pag-usapan natin. Alam mo ba yon yung dick pic ni PRRD, yung kwento ni Maharlika? Na yung kabit daw ni PRRD, binababay daw si PRRD dahil pinapakita raw yung dick pic ni PRRD sa mga tao, nilalako daw, ganyan. Sige nga, parang, will that help PRRD?
Is this an information that we need in our lives?
Exactly.
Sabi ko, huwag na kayo mag-away-away, girl. Wala yung patutuguhan. Hindi nyo magagapi ang gusto nyong magapi. Dahil, mas marami silang, una-una, mas marami silang pera. Mas united sila dahil lahat sila united sa pagkamkam. Dahil kayo, ano nyo na eh? Kayo nag-away kayo kung sino totoong Duterte supporters. Mga bakla, kung ako, hindi mo nakikita na kung ganyan ang makikita ng kalaban nyo, na ganyan ang takbo ng utak ninyo, tingin ninyo.
Correct.
Yan ang sabi ko. Mga bakla. You don't show your enemies your weakness. Mga bakla, yan lang nag-aaway na kayo.
That is exactly the reason why. That is exactly the reason why I am enraged. Kasi parang
tapos ng laban. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanyo, tapos ng laban. Oh, let's be real. Kung kayo, ilagay nyo yung sarili niyo sa sapatos ng mga kalaban. Tapos ng laban. Mga bakla, para na yung basketball. Nag-aaway-aaway yung mga players dahil hindi sila magkasundo dahil sino ba mas magandang news.
Sa totoo lang, yung talaga pagandahan ng Muse. Sabi ni Charmaine, it's not about the relationship with Hanilet, but the alleged Alputera being spy on Duterte. Alam mo, ito,
spy Nino! Inaano ko sa spy Nino!
Alam mo ganito? Ni Maharlika.
Hindi ganito na yan. Tapos na yung laban. Ganun na kasimple yun. The laban. Ganun talaga yan. Away yan ng mga babae sa buhay ni PRRD. Period. Wala na. Tell that to Maharlika. Wala ka pang sabihin, bahala na kayo sa buhay ninyo. That's, ako, sinasabi ko sa inyo, tapos na ang laban. Hindi na kayo mananalo sa kanila. It's not gonna work. Ganun na kasimple yun. O, kita ninyo, bakit akong tinanggalan sa FB? Hindi ako kasi kasali sa away. Sintinira kayo. Dahil kayo, ginagawa ninyo, yung mga pag-aaway ninyo, dinidibay yung mga tao. O, di ba?
Yun nga yung problem dun, Sas. Kaya you have to put away yung mga taong nagde-divide. Yung ganon.
Hindi nga. The more, Joey.
No, Sas. No. It is not as if na, opposing,
Nililipat sila yung tao.
Ano?
Tapos mag-aaway ngayon yung mga followers. Divided pa rin. Ganito lang dapat sinabi mo. Let's move on. This is not important. And then
Oo nga. Wait. The mere fact that you are going to do something like that, the division is inevitable. Yun yung point. Kaya kino-call out siya na huwag niyang ituloy yung gagawin niya dahil that would lead to division.
Hayaan mo nga siya. Yun na nga, it's already divided. You do not defeat a tornado by feeding the tornado. Girl, you cannot defeat a tornado by feeding the tornado. What you do is, okay, let the tornado pass. Because, tapos ng laban.
Okay yun sase. But we are in the middle of for example, ito lang ha. For example, yung mga ganong klaseng ginagawa niya na talaga sobrang divisive na mga activities. Sakto sa Butangan ng impeachment to ni VP Sara.
Wala na nga, tapos na nga, girl. Tapos
hindi na. Kaya nga, we have to point it out so that everybody would know. Because how can we
Joey people know. Do not assume that the people are stupid. They know.
They don't.
They know.
Hindi
nga, wala ka naman magagawa. You do not convince other. Ito, matigas yung ulo mo, Joey.
Oo talaga, lalo na pagkakunwari.
Yun na nga sinasabi ko. Kung may mas malaking laban, kahit anong mangyari dyan, do not focus on the goal. Ngayon, na-sideline na kayong lahat. O di wala na. Yung mga taong nakikinig sa inyo, Joey, take it from me. I've been there, done that, been there. Yung mga nakikinig sa inyo, wala na yung gana. Trust me. Kung sa tingin ninyo, both sides, kung sa tingin ninyo, yung mga taong nakikinig sa inyo ay lalong maniniwala sa pinaglalaban ninyong mas malaki, they won't. They don't. They have other lives. Yun lang katotohanan dyan. Do not think na your followers are stupid and that they will just say na, sige, lalaban kami para sa kinabukasan. Walang ganun. Pag nakita nila na yung mga taong nasa front lines ay nag-aaway-away, Bex, you lost your audience, you lost your troops. As simple as that. Kahit mag-away-away pa kayo na, hindi, si Maharlika mali. Ikaw naman sabi mo, si Maharlika mali. Mali. Walang pakialam dyan ng followers kung sinong mali at tama. Pag nakita na nila ang dalawang nag-aaway, wala na yan. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, the battle has been lost even before there is a war. And hindi nga natin alam, no, maybe yung kabila nagsisid ng kaguluhan. Malaking chance na baka meron sa kalaman may nagsisid. Malaki ang kutob ko dyan. Na
exactly.
Meron, yun na, kaya nga if you know na merong ganun nga na nagsisid, huwag mong patulan. Yun yung gusto nga nila patulan mo Patulan ninyong lahat. Wala na.
Ganito. Okay. May I?
Okay.
Kasi ganito, tawag dito, it is not as if it is a random thing Yung sinasabi mo, Sas, that is my mantra. And this has been going on for quite some time.
Kaya
ngayon,
let
me finish. Ngayon, itong nangyayari na to, if we are not going to call it out, and we are just, alam nga natin, nagtatanim ng seed, alam na nga natin, tumutubo na yung seed. Ganon. And if we are not going to do anything about it, those plants are going to, those creeping plants are going to overtake us.
Actually, it's already,
Tapusin ko lang. Okay. Tapusin ko lang. Kasi, itong mga to, naglalabasan na nga, it's overtaking us already. So ngayon, kami dito, hindi na rin kami makagalaw dito. Hindi na rin kami makaano dito. So ngayon, ibig ko sabihin, I don't think na parang, I'm so sorry, no, but I am not that kind of person who's just going to sit back and relax and watch all of us lose the battle.
Yeah, and they know that, Joey. And the enemies know that you will not sit back and relax. You will make battle. You are thinking linearly. You are all thinking linearly. Again, when there's a tornado, you don't feed it. Meron pa rin nagtatanim. Okay, magtanim ka dyan. Hindi ko papatulan. This is an ops. No?
I know. Pero I'm calling it as an ops.
Girl, an ops like that would like to be called an ops. Do you really think that this op do not want to do not want any one of you to make battle to it? That is the point. Let's make everyone battle to dismantle, and then magkakagulo na sila. Ngayon na ito lang, masabihin ko lang both, I will address both sides, Joey and whoever, Maharlika, Maui. Sa tingin nyo ngayon, regardless kung sinong tama at mali, do you really think that the followers...
What made you think that this side of the house is not doing an ops also? That this is random and there's no strategy? What made you think like that?
Wala akong sinasabing ganyan, Joey.
Hindi nga, kasi ibig ko sabihin, hindi to linear. This is also a well-thought reaction.
Yeah, girl, even hindi nga joke. Sino ba yung kalaban? You don't attack foot soldiers. Kung ang tingin mo, ang nag-ops, ay si Tambi, ganyan, you attack Tambi, you don't attack the foot soldiers. That's not how... Ayun na nga.
Parang, who is benefiting sa ginagawa
Ito kasi Joey, Ito Joey. I know that you're an intelligent person, but the thing is, you are very new to this. Lahat, ayan nga, inaano ko, bahala kayo. If you think that what you're doing is going to succeed, go ahead. Basta ako, sinabihan ko na kayo. Pero ako, sinabihan ko na.
And I also have my appreciation of what I should do.
Ayun na nga. Sinasabi ko na nga sa iyo na if you think na yung ginagawa ninyo, magtatagumpay kayo dun sa mas malaki yung laban, go ahead. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, the battle has already been lost before you went to war. No? Why do you think na ang mga sundalo pag nasa gera, ay sinasideline ang mga bagay na maliliit at away-away ng mga sundalo? Because the platoon will be broken. Ngayon, wala kayong platoon. Ito lang sabihin ko, you don't have money. You don't have means of organization. All you have is unity of your voices. That voices is already broken. Even if you call out, hindi, ito kasi nauna, ito kasi ganito nauna.
That's not the situation kasi. That's not really how situation. Okay? Kasi parang, hindi naman siya yung parang, it's just me who's feeling this. Of course, there is, this is not linear. Okay? That's one thing. This is not linear. That's for sure. Okay? That is for sure. This is a well-assessed problem and it's being attacked layer by layer. So this is not just me being me.
Wala, hindi ko naman sinasabi ni Joey na it's just you. Sinasabi ko, your strategy is incorrect. Ngayon, if you think na your strategy is correct, hindi maghintay na lang tayo sa finals. Tingnan natin kung magtagumpay kayo sa pinaglalaban ninyo. Ako, sinasabi ko lang naman na you will not succeed with your greater fight with this kind of things going on. Wala na. It's lost.
Hindi talaga magsasucceed whether, if you're going to allow this to happen.
You are not mali kasi ang konsepto mo ng allow. Ang konsepto mo ng allow is condone. Ang sinasabi natin dyan, you let it pass, hayaan mo silang mapagod, and people will know exactly where to go. Kasi ngayon, you are two different kinds of tornado that will divide the wind into two different directions. Wala na, yan na yung mangyayari dyan. Yung sinasabi mo, this is not non-linear, dahil maraming kumikulis, that's not how non-linearity works, Joey. Your approach is linear because this is the problem, we will attack the problem.
Hindi rin siya ganon.
Ano ginagawa ninyo? Anong sa inyo yung ginagawa ninyo?
Na?
So you don't see a problem and you don't attack the problem head on. Yun yung bang nangyayari?
It's being addressed. But the problem is not as simple as that.
Ganun. Pero yun na nga, Joey. The proof of the pudding of what you're doing is see what is happening to the wind. Kayong lahat na nakikipaglaban kay PRRD. The proof of what you're doing is look at what's going on to the wind. Anong nangyayari? Ngayon, the wind...
Kasama nga yun sa dinidescribe. Kasama nga yun sa ina-explain. Hindi, ganito kasi, Sas.
Hindi nga, Joey.
Hindi naman lahat ng audience same page tayo. I do not know, no? Kasi
hindi nga, Joey, lahat ng audience same page. Ang page natin, meron tayong pinaglalaban. Ang pinaglalaban nating lahat, ayaw natin sa BBM. Alam yan ng kalaban na everyone, despite of their differences, yun ang target. Ngayon, kung ako sina BBM, gagawin ko mismo ang nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. And they have all the capacity to devise, pay, organize, etc., and plan better than you because for the simple reason that they have money and more organized. So do not think that what you're doing with your less money and less organization is better than them. Let's just get real. Simple. So ngayon, and I'm addressing everyone, you don't have money. You don't have organizational. All you have is your passion. Do you know how the best way to defeat passion? And that is to actually do exactly this. Wala kayong pera. Wala kayong organization. O, ang gagawin ko? Di magtanim na lang ako ng kung anong mga dapat kong tanimin dyan hanggang kumagat silang lahat. At pag kumagat silang lahat, sila nang mag-aaway-away. And because of that, everyone na nanonood sa inyo, your audience, their audience, kayong mga lahat ng mga vlogger kayo, you will be divided like how Moses divided the Red Sea. And because it's divided, Moses and his follower were able to pass through the sea unscathed. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Mag-survey kayo sa mga followers ninyo. Ano ba? Ano nangyayari? Di ang nag-aaway-aaway na kayo. Wala na yan. Hindi na makikinig yan. Nangyari na yan noon before. Yung mga ganito-ganitong away-away na ganito. Na,
yun nga, nangyari na yan before. Hindi nga naiintindihan ng tao. Kasi nga, nobody's explaining it. Yun yung
naintindihan to Joey ng tao. Naintindihan to
why is it happening again?
It's happening.
Diba?
Hindi nga.
Naiintindihan ng tao.
Nangyayari, Joey, nangyayari to uli ngayon because ang hindi natutunan na lesson is to learn to control your ego. That is the greatest lesson here. So yun ang hindi natutunan. Ngayon, pag yun ang...
Kaya nga, ito, sinasabi mo. Ito kasi, Sas, no? Ito sinasabi mo. Nangyari na to before, and I agree. At paulit-ulit to. I agree. Nangyari na to dati, nangyari na to noon, ino-operate, ganyan. But sa totoo lang, yung sinasabi nyo kasi the audience know. No, the audience do not know. Kasi nga, bakit siya nangyayari again and again? Kasi people cannot identify nga.
Mali naman, Joey. Hindi mo naman naintindihan.
Wait
hindi mo naman naintindihan sa sinabi ko ng audience noon. Sinasabi ko.
Wait lang, Sas. Naintindihan kita. Kaso,
there is no amount of Joey, what you're doing right now is you are just trying to defend what you're doing. That is not the point of this discussion. The point of this discussion is you have already lost the larger battle. Now,
it is already because the seed has already been planted.
Hindi nga, it's not because the seed has been planted. The battle has been lost because all of you ate the bait. Simple. Ngayon,
people do not recognize the bait. Yun yung problem. And it is they're going to
bait. Ganito nga, Joey. Ganito nga, Joey. And every one of you. If you think that there is a bait, all of you address it privately with each other. Mag-usap-usap.
It was done, Sas. It was done.
Ayun na nga.
Pero hindi nga siya nag-pan out.
Ngayon ganito nga. Kung hindi nag-pan out doon, let it be. Let it pass.
And ngayon, that is where I depart. That I agree with what you're saying.
Ayun na nga ang problema, Joe. Bala ka, Joey. Ayun na nga. If you think that what you're doing right now na, okay, ganito, ganyan, and even on the other side, kung sa tingin ninyo, kayo ni Maharlika, kayo ni Maui, ganyan, kung sa tingin ninyo, that is what's going, now what you're doing is going to actually make your, the cause stronger, go ahead. But the thing is, the proof of your success is not whether you are able to address this in public. Both of you. Ganun kasimple yan. Bala kayo, di nakawi na lahat. Bala kayo, yun ang sinasabi ko, no? You don't have money. You don't have an organization.
Exactly.
You don't have a leader. Sino ba leader ngayon?
Okay. Ganito. Tama ka doon.
Hindi nga, Joey, ang sinasabi ko ng walang leader, ang sinasabi ko ng walang leader, the other group has a leader. They have a leader, they have BBM. These are the major strategizer na pang nagsalita, kung meron mang mga taong nag-aaway dyan, they can patch it out. Now, wala. O, di wala kayo ngayon. Bahala kayo. Di ba? That is the point. Yun na nga. Winawasa. Bahala kayo.
Okay, okay. I understand what you are saying, okay? And I understand na ito, mangyayari to, ganyan. But kasi this is where we depart. Yung presumption kasi na hindi alam yan ng audience, hindi ano yan, ganyan. Hindi nga yun yung ano kasi paulit-ulit nga siya eh.
Joey, you misunderstood what I said, alam yan ng audience.
So anyway, that's how I understood what you were saying. Na alam yan ng audience, alam nila kung sila pupunta next time, there are 2 tornadoes, whatever, ganyan. Gets ko yun. Okay, gets ko yun. Ngayon, I know you think that I am doing this head on. To a certain extent, yes, oh, I'm doing this head on because kailangan ma-recognize talaga natin to, yung mga ganitong situation. Kailangan ma-recognize talaga to, kailangan talagang pag-usapan to. Kasi pag hindi natin to pinag-usapan, later, kasi ganito ha, for me important yung ganito, yung call out na ganyan, yung, no, kailangan ma-recognize natin yung mga ganitong etos, ganyan. Kasi later on, people would be able to determine kung ano ba yung mga dapat nilang i-watch out, yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi hindi mo sinasabing bobo yung audience or hindi but your audience would also know you're also going to equip ganito lang yan, no? Example ko lang yung sa red tagging, what the NTF-ELCAC did doon sa red tagging situation. It was being discussed na ganito pagka meron silang mga ganitong mga pasok sila sa ganitong behavior, ganyan, baka ganito yan. So ngayon people would be the one to identify na parang, bakit hindi mo kinokondena na yung ganito? So everyone would be able to up their guard and be more discerning whatever it is given to them. Ngayon, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure what you want is also to settle these things and to just unify and things like that, yung mga ganon. But in unification, you also have to understand that there must be a common intention. Yun yung missing dito. Wala kang common intention. That's the problem. And you are correct because there's no leader, we have no money, we are not organized. So in my case, I know my limitation and what I can do. And what I can contribute is that for this conversation to go on so that at least we would know how we are going to pinpoint things and make it better in processing information. Because that's all I can do. I am just a vlogger. I can only impart to my audience how to process information. I have no parang idea na sa sarili ko na I can fix things, I can make this thing win, ganyan. We can bring down this administration things. Wala akong ganong I know my limitation exactly. So ngayon ang kaya ko lang iambag dito is that for everyone to be able to more discerning in processing information. That's it. Yun lang yung kaya ko dyan. Ayun. Ganon. Close-minded sila lahat, gusto nila magpalitan ng masasakit na salita at atakihin isa't isa. Sabi niya, well, something's gotta give. Sa totoo lang. Something's gotta give. Ganon. Ayun. Something's gotta give. Hindi po pwede na ganon kasi parate. Kaya nga dapat, meron tayong single intention here. Ngayon, kapag walang single intention, wala tayong common ground. Paano tayo mag-unify? Paano tayo mag-move forward? For me kasi, kailangan yun yung hanapin natin. Nakamute ka, be?
May common ground naman
Wali. May common ground dati. Ngayon wali. Ngayon wala na.
May common ground. Ang common ground si PRD at yung nangyayari kay VP Sara.
But that's not, hindi nga yun yung pinagkakaabalahan niya.
Ayun na nga. Kasi, kasi nga, kaya, bahal ayaan nyo sila kung iba yung pinagkakaabalahan, mag-focus lang dun sa common ground. Eto nga yan, no? Well, di naman kita makukulong because alam ko namang you're a very stern person, no?
Yes.
Ito lang yung masasabi ko. Sinasabi ko lang ang magiging consequence nito. Okay? And whether and if you ako naman, no, choose your own adventure if you think that this will
exactly. Ganun.
Yun na ang inaano ko na
I cannot just naintindihan ko yung naintindihan ko for someone like me na hindi naman ako malaking content creator, sa totoo lang.
Malaki ka content creator. You are being read. How many millions yung views mo? Nang marami. So this is the problem. If you don't know the kind of significance that you have, then maybe you wouldn't be able to actually discern na what kind of impact your actions would actually produce. Ayun na nga ang ngayon. Actually hindi ko naman talaga alam kung ano yung pinag-aawayan niyo, no? For me napakababa.
Yun nga.
Pero kaya nga yun na nga. Ngayon yung mga audience niyan, yung mga audience niyan, actually pareho naman kayo nag-i-inform Kung anong ginagawa mo, na ini-inform ko lang yung audience. For the other side, ganun din yung kanilang point. Ini-inform din lang namin ng audience. Nagigets nyo? You are a mirror image. No? Nag-i-inform ko yung audience. Sila rin.
The followers will discern. Exactly.
Ayun na nga. So nakita mo na yung sinasabi ko. The wind will now move into different directions. Captured by two different tornadoes.
Hindi. I think Sas, in order to have better appreciation, hindi kasi po pwedeng hindi mo alam yung pinagtatalunan. Dapat alam mo rin kung ano yung pinagtatalunan. Kasi yung pinagtatalunan, hindi naman yun hindi na
sige, ito na lang. Huwag mo na ikwento lahat. Tatanungin lang kita. Yung pinagtatalunan ba ay mare-resolve pag ito ay in-address in public?
Yun nga yung ayaw namin ipa-address in public. That was the call. That was the call. Do not address it in public. Let us step back and not talk about it in public. But anyway, Maharlika went ahead and talk about it.
Hindi, ayun na nga. So, yung isa, in-address in public.
So, yun yung point ko. Sa akin, I think it's difficult to make a general remark on this if we do not know exactly the situation. Because that's how we are going to make a more...
My general remark is that
it's good and it's really insightful. Okay naman yun, walang problema. Ibig ko lang sabihin, mas ma-optimize natin yung pag-resolve ng problema if we know the facts of the case.
Hindi nga actually, Joey, yung problema mong yan, that is actually has now produced a different problem. So yung nakita nyo na nagkalahi-lahi na yung problema. So ngayon, ngayon yung problema ngayon is paano mo nga i-solve yung mga taong yung mga, and I'm addressing this to everyone. Paano nyo ngayon masasolve yung problema na yung mga tao na as what they're seeing na ano ba naman itong mga to na binabasa natin, nag-aaway-away. Dead man na yan. So paano mo masasolve yung problema na yun?
That's when we wait. Kasi kagaya ng sinabi mo, alam nila kung sino yung reasonable at saka yung hindi reasonable.
They don't care about girl, the audience is not, narinig ko may sinabi ko. Ang sinabi ko is, they are seeing people fighting. Kung sinong reasonable o hindi dyan, that is not the point. They already see na, nag-aaway-aaway naman pala to, bakit pa kami magkakaroon dyan ng, bakit pa kami makikisama dyan? Ibig sabihin, dyan sa pakikipaglaban ninyo, hindi nga kayo magkasundo-sundo. Nagigets mo ba yon? That is now a new problem.
If you're not going to really get into the conversation, kaya importante yung conversation.
Hindi, ang sinasabi ko, Joey, yung conversation mong yan, iba pang problema yan. Ngayon, may iba ng problema ngayon. Ang problema ngayon is, paano mo ngayon i-address yung mga tao na hindi okay pa rin tayo makipaglaban-laban.
Bakit naman, parang feeling ko I'm sorry, pero hindi ko nakikitang problem yun. Kasi people are going to hindi ko nakikitang problem yun.
O, di wala na ka masasabi. Wala na ka masasabi, Joey. Wala na ka masasabi. Hindi naman pala problema sa iyo yun. Hindi problema rin sa kabila. O, di wala problema. Let's just pretend that that is not a problem.
Ayun nga kasi ganito if you are saying na tawag dito na you just let it pass. But if you're just going to let it pass, it's gonna happen again and again. And nobody's going to learn. So sa akin kasi, it's better to talk about it. Okay? Now, if people didn't learn, merong mga taong mawawalan ng gana. Yeah, merong mga taong mawawalan ng gana. But if you continue on talking, if you continue putting it in public discourse, I think it's better to to put it out there and to engage people. Kasi at the end of the day, sabihin na natin na ngayon natatoxican sila, ganyan, bakit panay-away, ganyan. At some point, they will understand And for me, yun yung ganong klaseng appreciation yung importante. Yung parang, I cannot understand this, alis muna ako, ganyan. And then, during na they are away, and they're going to get the wind on this, there were really some realization that's gonna happen na, sige, parang, ganun nga yung nangyari, pero, nga, tama nga yun, ganyan. Kasama yan sa kasama yan doon sa pagmumuni-muni ng tao Kasama yan sa pagmumuni-muni ng tao. So parang sa akin, hindi yun lost cause. Hindi yun lost cause na pag-usapan natin to, identify natin yung mga issues, ganyan. Pati yung emotion, including the emotion. So parang sa akin, kung sakali na parang, yung mga tao na wala ng gana, there's another problem, how can we get them back? They are just going to come back. I don't see it as a problem. They are just going to come back because at the end of the day, people would look for conversation to understand things more. Ayun.
Actually, the people right now don't care about this problem. What they really care about is the future of the country. yung problema na yan, yung kay Hanalet, that is a chismis and whatever. The more that you address.
That's the point. Kaya,
hindi nga ganito mo.
Dapat you have to listen to the conversation kasi yun nga yung sinasabi na.
Bakit, Joey, bakit nga kailangan yung tao is makinig doon sa conversation which is about chismis? And the private life.
Ang conversation nga is to not go there. Yun kasi ang conversation.
So yun na lang na, let's not go there. Parang ganyan lang yung message.
Exactly. Yun nga sabi ko, kailangan natin malaman yung pag-uusap. Kasi nga, ang pinag-aawayan dito ay hindi naman siya hine-head-on. Actually, hindi nga to head-on eh. Kasi Maharlika is being called out to not talk about it. Okay? Several times. Kasi nagsasabi na siya, humanda na kayo, ganyan-ganyan. She's being warned, she's being informed. Please, wag natin pag-usapan yan. Let us not go there because it's not gonna be good. It's not gonna be good. And she has been called out several times to not go there. Okay? But anyway, she still went there. Three episodes of teleseries. Ganyan. And it happened again and again. So, what are we going to do? We just let it pass. So ngayon, mangyayari, wala namang consequences kay Maharlika, she's just going to do it again and again. Diba? So yun. So ngayon, parang maghahati, mag-nag-aaway-away kayo. I think that is part of the growth of the public. Kailangan yun growing pains yan eh. Kasi talaga, hindi mo pwede na gano'n na hayaan mo na lang yun, na kinall out ka na nga, ilang beses ka nang sinabihan na wag mo nang i-public yan eh, pero pinpublic mo pa rin. Diba? And then, what's gonna stop her from doing that in the future? Nothing. Because if you're just going to wait and, you don't fight tornado with tornado, diba? If you're not just going to do that, it's gonna happen again and again because there's no consequence for her. But if there is resistance, if there is conversation, and we figure out na parang, sige, ganito, and that would also put other people who are watching this unfold na kapag merong ganitong nangyayari, magdadalawang isip na rin sila na parang, okay, so next time pala pag-uusapan natin yung mga personal matters ni PRRD, magdadalawang isip tayo. Then that makes the conversation, the public discourse better. Ganon. Ayun.
Okay. Wala na ako masasabi.
Ayun. Yun yung sa akin dyan. Yun yung sa akin dyan. So, hindi... Oo. And for me kasi, this is dear to me. Kasi para sa akin, the public conversation is very important because that's going to be part of the public consciousness. An intelligent...
Tatalino yung publiko dito.
Exactly. Tatalino yung publiko dito. Ngayon, pag yung publiko, that's what we have doing with what you are writing. We talk about it, we discuss about it, we disagree about it. Diba? And then people... started talking about international relations because we talk about it, we debate about it, we fight about it, and things like that. Okay, diba? Okay. So yun. So parang yun, sa akin, parang, I know part of this is you want to patch everyone and, I receive phone calls, sa totoo lang. For me to stop and na ganyan, na wag nang tirahin, ganyan. I receive phone calls. But for me, it cannot be without consequence. This has to stop. And if we really want to protect our country, let's protect our country. Kung ayaw natin ng ganito na mga usapan na dick pic ni PRRD, Maharlika has to stop. Hindi po pwede na sasabihin natin na hindi, tawag dito, two storms brewing and two storms fight. No, there has to be a consequence. Kapag someone is going to talk about this kind of, you have to put line with your content. You have to put line with your content. You cannot just talk about the dick pic of PRRD. If you want to fight, let's fight. I'm going to fight with you shoulder to shoulder, even if I don't like you. Diba? Pero hindi po pwede na walang consequences, lalo na kapag yung mga ganitong conversation, hindi naman makakatulong. So yun, so para sa akin, yun yan, I'm so sorry, I am not being hard on this, I am not being difficult. But for me, eto yung advocacy ko this is the reason why I am vlogging This is the reason why I am vlogging. We talk about it, we deal with it, we make each other sharper so that the conversation is gonna be more intelligent. Ayun. Off-Year TV, wag kang spam. Paulit-ulit yung paulit-ulit yung comment mo. Ayun. Tsaka yung mga nandito, Diyos ko po naman, kanina wala naman kayo sa usapan Ayun. Sabi ni Piloso Potasio, di ka ba capable? Ano yung mali? Ano yung mali na kinonfront ko si Maharlika? Is that what you're saying? Ano yung mali? Why do you make it as if it is my ego? What do I have to be sorry for? Bakit niyo ako ginagaslight? Bakit ako ginagaslight? Why do I have to, what do I have to apologize for? I have to apologize for calling out Maharlika? Why? What do I have to apologize for? What are you calling me out for? Exactly. Off your TV, tangina mo Joey, di ka naman kino-call out ni Maharlika, defensive ka, prove negative, ano? Guilty ka, bobo ka.
Wag mo nang alam mo yung mga ganyan, alam mo yung mga ganyang nag-uudyo galing sa kabila yan.
Yeah. Anyway, okay lang yan. Pag inulit mo, block ka na. At least binigyan natin.
Galing sa kabila yan kasi ganun. Do not think na those people who are attacking you would be supporters of the other one, because it's more likely that those people who will be attacking you are going to be coming from the one behind the ops.
Yeah.
So yun yung eksena. So, pero yun kita mo, di ba? Lahat itong nangyayaring ito is this is a well-organized eksena. Yang away ninyo, gagatungan yan ng kabila.
Exactly. Kaya nga, kanina, I am very clear. Ano yung disagreement? Ano yung where can I agree? What are the things that I can respect about Maharlika? Because, she took some risk. And hindi naman nawawala yun eh. And I want people to understand that this is not just, no, I want to bring her down and things like that. For me, there has to be a more intelligent public discourse. There are some contents that you do not do. Yun, ganun lang kasimple. Ngayon, ang sa akin, hindi po pwede na, hindi, kanya-kanya tayong diskarte, di ba? Kanya-kanya tayong diskarte. Ngayon, ang sa akin, and my advocacy has always been, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it head on. And I cannot just change it just because those are going to be more palatable to other people. Yun yung yun yung approach. That is what I know I can do better.
Hindi, ganun, kasi ganito yung Joey, no? Ganun din yun sa kabila. Yung iniisip nila. Hindi, ganito rin ang advocacy ko eh. Kailangan natin itong pag-usapan, itong nangyayaring ito. Nagigets mo ka? So, ganun din. That is the thing, no? You know, you both,
I think some messages kasi ganito, no? I think some messages are getting across. Kaya nga sila nagpo-phone call, kaya nga sila tumatawag eh. So ngayon ang sa akin, mag-a-agree tayo dito if you're going to also try to be more prudent with what you do. Kasi if that is you think how you should do the fight, and if you want us to be on the same page, you also have to make sure that that it's not there are things that are non-negotiable for PRRD supporters eh. 'Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko. Kasi ito nangyari na to before. Nung inaatake si PRRD about the personal life, nangyari na to before. Kaya sinasabi ko, let's not go there. Let's not go there. Kung siguro kung nag-exercise lang tayo ng more prudence, hindi tayo makakarating dito. And that's exactly what I am trying to map out here. Bakit nawala yung prudence? 'Di ba? Bakit nawala yung prudence dito?
Paano pag hindi natapos nung pagka-call out mo?
Well, it's gonna happen. It's gonna be a recurring thing.
So sa tingin mo sa pag-call out mo hindi mag-recur?
Na
hindi na mauulit?
No, I have no expectations actually. I have no expectations.
Wala rin point yung ginawa.
May point. Of course, merong point. But this kind of things are these are the things that I cannot measure, and I do not know exactly, how it is going to pan out. Because importante lang dyan, you impart the idea because my only expectation is that the ideas are imparted.
Hindi, ayun na nga, Joey, no? Ganun din kasi sa kabila. Yung kasi dito, ganun din kasi sa kabila. They would think na, hindi, kailangan din itong i-impart itong idea na to. So, magkaiba kayo ng idea ng i-impart, pero it is the same structure. Kailangan itong i-impart sa audience. Sa audience ba?
Then the audience will decide. That's why we are...
Ayun na nga. So ngayon, ayun na nga, the audience will decide. Tama pa rin. Tama rin yung kabila na in-impart nila, gusto nilang i-impart.
Yeah, wala problema.
Saan lang ito? Impartation lang ito. Impartation lang ito. Impartation. So ngayon, dahil nag-impartan na,
then that's it. You let the kettle boil, di ba? You let the water in the kettle boil. Ganun.
And you let the kettle boil and then the water becomes gas and then there's no water anymore. Pero yun ang eksena. So, yun ang inaano ko, the thing is,
pero this kind of conversation, do you also give it to the other side?
Which side?
Kaya kay Maharlika, do you also give this kind of conversation to the other side? Kasi ang problema nga, the other side is non-negotiable din eh. Pag meron silang inisip, gina-go niya na regardless kung sino yung masasalita.
Joey, do not think this that I am doing na your question is wrong. Na kinakausap mo din ba sila tungkol dito? Girl, that's childish question.
Hindi, it's a curious question. It's just a curious question.
Hindi, sabi ko, that question is childish. What? So sa tingin mo, ikaw ay I am saying na ginagawa ko to sa iyo dahil ikaw lang tingin kong mali?
Hindi.
I'm using your platform.
Walang ganon.
Hindi ko nga sila kinakausap because I am only in your platform right now. Ang ngayon, dahil public naman ito, ina-address ko yung both.
So, hindi yun lang yung curious ako. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa rin sila nakakausap about this.
Hindi ko sila nakakausap. Ngayon, kinakausap ko na in front. Ayan na, ina-address ko na in public. Sinasabi ko na, walang patutunguhan yung ginagawa ninyong yan. Both sides. Nothing's gonna happen. Okay? The people will just lose amor sa nangyayari. Well, your diehard fans will not because, you know, we all have diehard fans. So whatever that we say will always be there. But the majority are not diehard fans. They're there in order to follow what's going on in the country. And this is not about the country at all. Yun ang sinasabi ko. You will lose majority of your audience. Yun lang. Regardless of tama o mali ang sinasabi ninyo or whatever, you will lose your audience, mawawalan sila ng gana. Ngayon, if you don't care, if you lose majority of your audience, that's also fine. But the thing is, right?
Alam ko na ako wala naman akong pakialam.
Pero kasi nga ngayon, ang inaano ko nga is the people are looking up to you guys. That is your responsibility. All of you. Hindi ba? That is your responsibility. Dahil wala naman silang, ang sandigan na lang natin, tao.
Exactly, yun nga eh. Kaya nga dapat,
lose majority of people. If you lose majority of your... Ha?
Yun yung pinopoint ko. Kaya nga we have to rally people. Kaya nga we have to rally people on certain goals na dito tayo dapat papunta. Diba? Hindi naman nawawala yun eh. Hindi naman nawawala yung ganong klaseng ano. Hindi naman nawawala yung ganong klaseng goal.
Wala na akong sabi. Wala na akong sasabihin.
Ayun.
Okay na yan. Next chapter.
Appreciated. Wala namang problema doon. It's just that you know exactly where I depart doon sa
pero yun ang inaano ko may tumawag naman sa iyo, you receive phone calls na pareho din yung sinasabi, hindi ka rin pala nakinig, finish or not finish.
Yung advice naman kasi nila hindi ganoon. Hindi naman ganun yung advice nila. Advice nila, you